How to sell stocks on Robinhood. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell stocks on Robinhood. In order to sell stocks on Robinhood, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is go ahead and log in into your Robinhood account. Once you're logged into your Robinhood account, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now first of all, you need to go to stock detail page, and then you need to go ahead and tap the sell button. Just a reminder, make sure that your account is verified. Only then you can begin with the procedure. Now select the sell button once you locate your stock page. Now in the sell section, select either dollar or shares or change the order type, and then enter the amount to sell. Then you need to select the review order and confirm that all the details are correct, or select edit in order to make some changes. If all looks good, then go ahead and tap the sell stocks on Robinhood. That is how you can sell stocks on Robinhood. And within 2 to 3 business days later, receiving a statement stating that you've successfully sold stocks on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.